mostly sunny. The temperature was 82. At the Dells it was cloudy and 80.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 161, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Wisconsin: Greene, Jefferson, Kenosha, Lafayette, Milwaukee, Racine, Rock, Walworth, and Waukesha. And the following: nearshore waters from North Point Lighthouse to Wind Point, nearshore waters from Wind Point to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, Lake Michigan from North Point Light to Wind Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, and Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois.